Welcome to the hottest movie review on the internet today, the A-List Review. I am your host, the Game Changer, Wes Troop. And this is a very special episode of the A-List Review, not just because of the movie I'm reviewing, but because it is the Season 3 premiere of the A-List Review. Sweet! So I'm gonna kick off this third season with the movie that kicks off the big summer blockbuster films. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2012 action sci-fi adventure film, The Avengers. So, The Avengers, we finally made it, peeps. When Loki comes to Earth with his alien army, Nick Fury gathers together the greatest superheroes in the world, and maybe a little out of the world, to take him down. So what did I think of The Avengers? Well, it was only awesome. Really, it passes levels of awesomeness that you really didn't know existed. Let's just put it that way. What did you think? I was gonna hate this? Really? Anyway, this is what us fanboys have been waiting for 4 years. Anticipation for 4 years. And in my opinion, it did not disappoint. It lives up to the hype. It has the perfect blend of action and plot. It's not too plot heavy, and of course there's lots of cool action scenes, of course, but do pay attention. It's also very funny, and I laughed here more than I did in most recent comedies. So, you know, it has everything you're looking for in the perfect summer blockbuster. It really does. I can't shut up about it enough. But, you know, the balance of screen time between all the characters, so if you're worried that your favorite Avenger might not get as much screen time as others, I thought it was a pretty nice balance. I thought everybody gets their little moment to shine, everyone has their little stories and whatnot. So, you know, and it also doesn't seem too crowded. I know, like, Spider-Man 3, it was like, oh god, here comes Venom for 10 minutes. Oh, Sandman, Venom, Sandman! You know, it's like, ah! And, oh, now Harry Osborn's gotta dance! I don't know. But that was the knock on that, so I was worried with all these characters. But no, it seems like the perfect balance. Alright, Loki as a villain I thought was a very good choice. You know, some people thought, Loki again? Didn't we just see him last year? Yes, but he's more kick-ass this time. I haven't done that in a while. Gotta do it again. Kick-ass! Go, inside joke, go back and look at my kick-ass review. Anyway, the excellent returning cast includes Robert Downey Jr. as Tony Stark / Iron Man, of course. We get Chris Evans again as Captain America, Steve Rogers. Chris Hemsworth as Thor. Sorry, bro. We have the ever-sexy Scarlett Johansson. I can say that name all night long. And I scream it sometimes, too. Yeah, sorry about that one, ladies. She plays Black Widow, of course. Threw me off. Jeremy Renner as Hawkeye. And, of course, the mother Samuel L. Jackson as Nick Fury. Well, and they all do a great job, once again, reprising their roles. For those of you who are a little worried, I know some of my friends were like, Mark Ruffalo, not sure about that guy. For those of you who are worried, you can put those worries to rest. Mark Ruffalo does a great job as Bruce Banner, or no, better known as the Hulk. He fills the role nicely. In addition to being a great film, I got to see it with a very hot crowd, which makes all the difference, really. It really makes a lot of your experience. You know, I mean, these guys, you know, an Avenger came on the screen and they're, yeah, Hawkeye! It's like, really? But and laughing at all the right moments. It was great. It really was. And they weren't too obnoxious. It was the right crowd. We appreciated the film. So it was very cool. Me and all the other fanboys out there. From when I do my Fanboys R Us, that's who I'm talking to. The Avengers is the most fun I've had at a movie in a very long time. And really, it is gonna be a hard movie for all the rest of the summer films to beat. Stay after the credits. You peeps should know this by now. There are two, count them, 2 scenes. So definitely stay after the credits. So, peeps, therefore, the A-list gives the film, The Avengers, the rating of, what else? A-list approved. It gets the A-list seal of approval. So, if you want to check out The Avengers for yourself, you can by getting yo ass down to a theater near you. And if you don't want to see it, you got problems. Alright, peeps. So, until next time, don't miss one single A-list second. You can subscribe to me right here on YouTube. Check out some of my other videos. You can like me on Facebook. Follow me on the Twitter. And of course, you can check out this review and every review at RottenTomatoes.com if I ever get it updated. So, peeps, until next time, Troop out.